Now I would like to introduce the whiteboard function of the ask. First, we could see the icon, click and choose the first icon. Go into the whiteboard function, and we could write the record of the meeting. And here we could see some tools at the bottom of the monitor. The first one, we could remove all the contents on the whiteboard. And the eraser here, and this pen, we could modify the color and the size of the pen. And this one, we could modify the color of the background. And here, after we modify the record on the whiteboard, we could press the save. And it will mention save picture, OK. And after that, we could go into the drive to find the meeting record. That's all for the Ask Whiteboard function.